Have you ever wondered why some people seem to naturally attract others? Why certain individuals captivate an entire room without even trying, while others struggle to get noticed at all? What if I told you there's a Stoic secret hidden in ancient philosophy that can make people obsess over you? And it's not what you think. Today, I'm going to reveal a little-known Stoic principle that will transform how people perceive you. Stick around because this simple shift in mindset could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let's start with something we all understand. You've been in a room full of people, maybe at a party, a networking event, or a meeting, and you felt invisible. You tried to fit in, tried to speak up, tried to do the right things, but despite all your efforts, no one seemed to notice. They were distracted, uninterested, or maybe just too wrapped up in their own world. You've seen it, right? There are always those people, though, who seem to have this magnetic pull. They don't try too hard, but somehow they command attention. Their presence is undeniable. So, what's their secret? Why do some people seem to effortlessly get noticed while others fade into the background? Well, the answer might surprise you because it's not about being louder, flashier, or even trying to impress anyone. It's about something much deeper and much simpler. The Stoics, those ancient philosophers who lived over 2,000 years ago, had a concept that can help you understand exactly how to make people obsess over you. It's called apatheia. Apatheia is a state of inner tranquility where your emotions are no longer ruled by external events. In simpler terms, it's the ability to stay calm, composed, and unaffected by the chaos around you. The Stoics believe that by mastering this, you could become an unshakable force, someone people naturally gravitate toward. But here's the twist. People are obsessed with that kind of energy. Why? Because in a world filled with noise, uncertainty, and constant distractions, a person who can remain calm and unaffected is like a beacon of stability. It's magnetic. It's compelling. Think about it. Have you ever met someone who didn't seem to care too much about what others thought? Someone who wasn't desperate for attention, but simply was. And because of that, you couldn't help but be drawn to them. That's the Stoic secret in action. So, how can you apply this Stoic secret to make people obsess over you? It starts with these 3 key steps. Follow them, and you'll unlock this magnetic presence in no time. Step 1. Control your reactions. The Stoics taught us that we cannot control what happens to us, but we can control how we respond. In the heat of the moment, when someone cuts you off, when a situation makes you frustrated, ask yourself, how do I want to respond? When you stay calm, when you don't let emotions like anger, fear, or insecurity take over, people notice. They begin to see you as someone who isn't easily shaken, someone who's solid, grounded, and in control. And that kind of energy? It's addictive. Step 2. Practice detachment. The Stoics believe that attachment to external things, whether it's validation, approval, or material wealth, weakens you. When you stop needing other people's opinions to feel good about yourself, you become unstoppable. Think about the most attractive people you know. They don't seem desperate for validation, do they? They don't need to prove anything. And because of that, they seem more valuable. People start to chase them because that elusive quality is what they want, freedom from attachment. Step 3. Embrace the discomfort of uncertainty. The Stoics were not afraid of discomfort. In fact, they believed it was the path to strength. So, don't shy away from awkward situations or uncomfortable moments. Embrace them. When you're able to remain calm in uncomfortable situations, whether it's public speaking, socializing, or facing an unexpected challenge, you automatically elevate your status. People are drawn to those who aren't intimidated by life's uncertainties. It's a power move. By practicing these Stoic principles, controlling your reactions, practicing detachment, and embracing discomfort, you begin to develop an aura of unshakable calm. You become the person who stands out, not because you're trying to be noticed, but because you're so grounded in who you are that people can't help but notice. People will start to obsess over you, not because you want them to, but because your presence becomes something they can't ignore. It's magnetic, it's authentic, and it's timeless. So, if you're ready to make people obsess over you, not by chasing their attention, but by mastering your own mind, start practicing these Stoic principles today. Thanks for watching. If this video resonated with you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on how to transform your life through ancient wisdom and modern action. I'll see you in the next one. Stay calm, stay powerful,